Hello everybody, thank you so much for pressing play on my video today. My name is Sharleen and I'm super excited you could join us. It's Friday, which means I either have a tip, a technique, or a trick to share with you. Now, Friday, you guys, I know for some it doesn't really mean much because we've all been stuck indoors with this COVID-19 going around. But today I have a great technique that I wanted to share with you. Now, what I love about this technique is no card is going to look the same. Now, you may have seen this before, or this may be your first time. So let me know in the comments if you have seen this before or if this is something new. Couple of things I want to mention. The first time I tried it, I used this cup. You guys, don't keep the liquid in here because this cup happens to leak and seep through, which ultimately ruined my desk. No lies. Anyway, so I have a Play-Doh. I scooped this from my kids' stash, you guys. Just a little plastic cup. I do have one of these. Now, I will say when I was doing PT, and when I left the office, I would grab a cup of water and I brought the cups home. I knew I could use these for something. So grab yourself a couple from the doctor's office. So today I'm going to share with you how to create this beautiful background, you guys. Super cool. Now, our supplies, we are going to need a plastic straw. I do have a white paper that I'm going to do this on. You are going to need bubbles. Now, again, I stole this from my kids' stash. And you can get this at the dollar store, you guys. And all you're going to do is add some bubbles in the plastic container. And you can use any color. For this particular card, I used Pacific Point. Now, this is a dark color, and I did think it would come out darker, but once it, was on the paper, it was kind of very light. So I then used Balmy Blue, for my stamped flower because it kind of matched that color. So for today, I think maybe we can go with some pumpkin pie. And all you're going to do is you're going to add a couple drops of the refill. Pumpkin pie. I'm going to take my straw and I recycle this. So when I'm done, I will just wash out my straw and keep it in my craft room. Okay, so you're going to take your piece of paper. Now, this, you guys, is just the regular Whisper White. It's not the thick kind at all. This is 4 by 5 1/4. And all you're going to do, now, I remember doing this as a child, and it used to drive my mom insane. So this is going to bring you back to memory lane, and you're going to actually do this. You're going to blow the bubbles to do this. You're then going to take your piece of paper and push it down. And you're going to see the ink is going to transfer over onto your paper. How cool is that? And again, you're just going to keep adding and filling in. Let me know in the comments, you guys, if you remember doing this as a child. Cool, huh? And again, no project is going to look the same, which is really fun. And then you can, of course, turn all your creations into a beautiful masterpiece. So if you enjoyed today's video, you guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I hope you all stay safe. Stay indoors. Don't forget to wash your hands. I hope you all have a wonderful and safe weekend, and I hope to see you back here on Monday. We'll see you then. Take care.